Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change username in 8-Ball Pool. To change your username in 8-Ball Pool is super easy. Launch open the 8-Ball Pool application on your device, and then once you are in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left. Now, click on the little pencil button right next to your username and then type in a new username that you want to change to. The first username change is free, so type down your new username and click on confirm. Now once you change your username to something else, you will need to wait for a certain day before changing your name again. The time period you will need to wait for will be displayed on the page. So that's how you easily change your username on 8-Ball Pool in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.